Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Samsung down and removing the SIM tray so nothing moves while you work. Next, ground yourself on an anti-static mat and lay out a T5 or T6 driver, plastic picks, suction cup, and a magnetic tray for screws. Once done, heat the rear glass edge briefly with a hairdryer or heat pad to soften adhesive. You want gentle, even warmth. Then use a suction cup and a thin pick to create a small lift at the rear seam and begin prying. With the rear glass open, make sure you disconnect the battery connector immediately to prevent shorts. Next, remove the midframe screws and unclip the plastic bracket covering the button area. Keep screws organized by location. Locate the volume button flex cable that runs along the side and identify its connector on the board. Carefully lift the retaining flap, slide the flex cable free, and then release the side button assembly from its housing using a plastic pick, so you don't damage. After removing the old buttons, fit a replacement button module or insert a blank spacer if you're removing functionality. Make sure to use a thin adhesive gasket or an appropriate waterproof sealant around the opening to preserve ingress protection. Reconnect the flex cable and temporarily reconnect the battery so you can test power and button behavior before final sealing. Once confirmed, disconnect battery again, reassemble the midframe, replace screws. Lay fresh adhesive tape on the rear glass, press firmly to seat, and let adhesive cure for 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.